guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're just trying to get as much as we can done. I still need to take some Christmas stuff down, and I need to clean my couches and just, you know, finish refreshing the whole house and take down the rest of the decor. So this stuff right here will be going to our storage shed, and so I need to clean up the bookcase, and it's just a whole bunch of other stuff. Wash, like I said, I gotta clean the couches. So just stay tuned, and I hope you guys enjoy watching. So all of my lights wouldn't fit back. Anyways, all of my lights, they wouldn't fit back in the box. So what I did is I just took a Ziploc and I put the little label in there, and I put, I kept the little draw thing, I forget what it's called. But anyways, I kept it, and it's a little white one on here. And I kind of attached it so it wouldn't be tangled, and then I put it in here. So next year I won't have a whole bunch of problems with like lights and stuff. And pretty much all my lights I got from the dollar store, and everything $1, which is $1.25 if you didn't know now. So these are where I got my lights. I'll have everything listed and linked down below. And I also got these. Now Grandma, she got this for my birthday, and I love it because they come in a set like so. Now the one she got me is these, not this green one. I put that in there. I already had that. I got these from Hobby Lobby. But it was these right here. And I'll show you. They come in different sizes and whatnot, just like on the box. And it comes with 2 remotes. The other remote is in here. I kept it in here just in case my kids, well, my youngest one, she may mess with it or something, and lose it. So I kept the backup one in there. And what you do is you point at it. I don't know if you guys can barely see it. And you turn it on, and you can push any color you want, and it changes to that color. And there's a lot of different colors on this remote, you guys. So this is what the little remote looks like. And it's just very convenient. Instead of having to buy a whole bunch of different candles and stuff, you got these lights. And it also has a mode on here where you can set it for 4 hours or 8 hours, and then it also has it for multicolor. And when you click the multicolor one, then what it'll do, I just clicked it. What it'll do over time, it'll start to change to a different color. So I don't know how long it takes to kick in, but you guys should start to see this turn into a different color. Hold on. Okay. Now we'll watch it turn into a different color. Do you see it, you guys? I had it like on a purple or blue type of color. And then it's going to change again. Do you see? It's wonderful. I love it. See, now I just turned to this green. And it's really pretty when the lights are all off and stuff. And I'll show you guys that later when I'm decorating and finished.
I feel good when I'm with you, darling. I can't stay away, stay away. I can't help but feeling this is meant to be. I can't stay away, stay away. I just keep on moving till you're next to me. I feel good. You got a key to my heart, it's always open. I feel good, 'cause in my heart I know it's you toxic. Somehow you're fine with it, even when I'm chaotic. You see the shade in the cold, it's just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do when the flame's going high with my bad patience? I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about, yeah. You know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about, it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You see the shade in the cold, it's just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do when the flame's going high with my bad patience? I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about, yeah. You know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about, it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us.
Okay, so I wanted to show you guys where I'm at right now. I'm on this side. I already did over there. And I'm now on this side of the couch. And I still haven't done this area and stuff yet. But if you guys will look right here, my tank is filled up. And look how foamy and gross and just disgusting that is. It's so nasty. That's all the stuff that was coming out of my couch. So yeah, and then like I said, I'm not finished. So I gotta empty this right here. And I gotta finish up. And then I'll show you guys a little bit later. So now that I'm done with this couch completely, I think I'm gonna hold off on this one right here. And I'm gonna do it maybe first thing tomorrow morning or late tonight when the kids go to sleep, because I still need to vacuum the floor. I need to organize and dust off this bookcase, and I still have to do some wash. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these candles put away and vacuum for now. Okay, you guys, I completely forgot to take down this little garland type stuff. When I went to the storage shed and put all that Christmas decor and stuff up, and I also forgot about these little pine cones that we kind of stuffed in here. So I'm gonna have to take those out and then I'll get to vacuuming.
If I try, if I, if I try, please come back. If I try, please come back. If I Just another sunny day in Southern California. It's where the people came to play. Don't let them transform you.
So here's an overview of what everything is looking like right now, minus that couch right there because it's not cleaned yet. But I'm gonna go ahead and start on some wash because it's like, I think like 1:30 or so. I think I'm gonna put the vacuum up and I'm gonna get to this bookcase and stuff probably tomorrow. But for right now, I'm gonna go ahead and open the curtains so that this couch can dry a little bit faster since the sun is out. And yeah. After this, I'm gonna go ahead and start on some wash.
Come and see what you've been missing on a little slice of heaven. It's the only place we're living. It's that West Coast point of view. Easy when it's always summertime for you.
And that is it for today, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos. Bye!